Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by doing the essentials. Make wudu and recite Ayat al-Kursi, the last two surahs, and the short sleeping du'as to build spiritual protection. Once done, lie on your right side and relax your breath. This reduces obstruction and calms the nervous system. Make sure your last meal is light and 2-3 hours earlier, and dim lights or stop screens 30 minutes before bed so melatonin cycles stabilize. These steps lower risk immediately and set the stage for deeper practice. Once basic protections are in place, develop a repeatable routine. You should do 5-10 minutes of steady breathing and progressive muscle relaxation each night to reduce hyperarousal. This trains the body to fall asleep without entering the dissociative state that causes paralysis. Make Ruqyah part of your nightly audio or recitation practice so your mind associates sleep with safety. Also track episodes and triggers in a simple log. If occurrences increase or are frequent, make sure to consult your GP for medical assessment alongside spiritual care. During an episode, you act deliberately. Remain calm and remind yourself it will end. Focus on slow breaths and try to move the smallest muscle first, like a finger or toe. Once tiny movement returns, escalate to larger limbs. Quietly recite brief protective du'as or phrases you know. This gives your mind a focal point and reduces panic. If episodes continue despite consistent sleep hygiene and spiritual practice, make sure to seek both medical evaluation and a qualified Ruqyah practitioner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.